And just as I worried, even though the river is now open, wide and clear, but the presence of 12 of these bridge columns, bridge pier, there's 12 of them, 6 on one side and 6 on the other side. And then you can look at how it impedes, how those columns can contribute to impeding the efficiency of open channel river flow. It's quite wide upstream, narrows a bit down under the bridge, and then you watch closely how the water eddies crash against the column. Now one of them can contribute to a few percent of slowing down of the water flow, which means slow recession of flood. And another one there. That's how a presence of a column in the middle of a river impedes flood flow. But then what can you do? You have to build a column, otherwise you can't have a bridge. So what you should do to make up for the impediment of these columns, you should widen the river a bit. And I think they heard my previous video. They did remove the extra soil here. Maybe it was temporary. Maybe it was temporary. They had an overburden just to compact the backfill slope here. Or that one looks eroded by the flood. Okay. So the riverbank here is kind of narrowed a bit under the bridge.